Wow, I can't believe you're Ashley Tisdale.
Well, I came because someone said this is my cue to be here for an audition. Please, do you know where Will Ferrell is?
Duh. Who do you see in front of you? Do you see a guy with gold hair? That's Whitey's and other guys?
Oh my gosh, I know who you are now.
Really, who am I?
You're Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Let me touch your hair, please, let me.
No. I'm not Dwayne Johnson, I'm Will Ferrell.
Stop lying, Dwayne, you're not that funny, you're just retarded. Okay, I'm done with that bull crap. Let's do a yo mama joke battle, okay?
Okay, you made me do it though.
Yo mama so ugly. When she joined an ugly contest, they said sorry, no professionals.
I don't wanna hurt your feeling, but okay, you started grinding, so I'm going in. Yo mama's so ugly. Just after she was born, her mother said, "What a treasure." And her father said, "Yay, let's go bury it."
Yo mama so ugly she made an onion cry.
Yo mama's so short she gotta slam dunk her bus fare.
Yo mama so old she has Jesus beeper number.
Yo mama's so old her social security number is 1.
Yo mama so old she's older than yo grandma.
Yo mama's so fat, when she turns around, people give her a welcome back party.
Yo mama so fat she saw a yellow bus full of white kids and said, "Stop the Twinkie." Quotes.
Yo mama's so fat when she walks around Texas in high heels, she strikes soil.
Yo mama so fat she stepped scale and it said to be continued.
Yo mama's so fat that when God said, "Let there be light," he told her to move her fat old behind out the way.
Yo mama so poor she can't afford to live in a 2-story Cheerio box.
Yo mama head so big she has to step into her clothes.
Yo mama so dirty she has to take her shoes off when she goes outside.
Yo mama so poor she went to McDonald's and put a milkshake on layaway.
Yo mama so poor she can't afford to live in a 2-story Cheerio box.
Yo mama so poor when I saw her kicking a can down the street, I asked her what she was doing, and she said, "Moving."
Yo mama so poor when she goes to KFC, she has to lick other people's fingers.
Yo mama so poor she couldn't even afford the last 2 letters.
I'm done, I quit, you win. Okay, you are funny, so you are Will Ferrell, let's go.